Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to rotate canvas. So for example, I will create a simple sketch. Okay, create here. Now if you want to rotate this canvas, you can go to edit, click on rotate or flip canvas, and like I will rotate into 180 degree, you can click and we're waiting to rotate the canvas. So I will rotate again, click edit menu, go to rotate or flip canvas. You can rotate by 90 degree clockwise, click to rotate. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to rotate canvas.